welcome back to Buy and Try. My name is Bethany Berger. Now, as you know, it's November. It's almost Thanksgiving, which means it's Christmas time. So today, I'm gonna be making some gingerbread houses. There's so many things to do and so little time that we have to do it, so I think we should really just jump right in. I can smell it. It smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna eat them. So it looks like we're gonna need scissors, but I don't know where we're gonna get those. Movie magic. One of the first steps is you have to knead your icing. Make it room temperature, because then it'll be more sticky. And that's what we want. We don't want our houses falling apart, because that'd be bad, that'd be sad, and people would die. So now I gotta break it, which is very scary, considering I'm probably gonna mess this up. I'm scared. It's fine. I believe in myself. I did it. I'm doing so good. Look at this. I'm kind of waiting for it to go downhill. How is this gonna fit? It's not, but I'm gonna cover it with icing so you're never gonna know. We're just gonna decorate the front. Nobody cares about the backyard, only the front. It's snowing. It's snowing. I'm gonna put candy on it and then it's gonna look fine. Right? That's how it works, right? Open. Is this really what's gonna stop me right now? That's what I thought. See, look at that. It's not that hard. I did it. I did it all by myself. I think honestly, okay, this was a lot of fun. Honestly, there's nothing wrong with this kit. The only thing that could go wrong really is like user error, as we saw earlier, but we're not going to talk about it. The candy's pretty good. This, I like this. So I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I like it a lot. This has been Buy and Try. My name is Bethany Berger, and I'm gonna smash this gingerbread house.